The Help menu is designed to provide you with access to further free resources that should provide you with enough information to be able to complete the AML program easily. The menu contains the version number of the platform, the latest release notes, and if you have an AML Accelerate Advisor license, you will be able to see the Book an Appointment button, which will step you through the process of booking time with one of our AML experts, who are on hand to guide you through the AML Accelerate program every step of the way. You will also find a link to the Help Center, which is the AML Accelerate self-service portal that contains frequently asked questions and a step-by-step guide to completing the AML program, with various screenshots, videos, and other hints and tips to help you get the most out of your experience. If you find that the answer you're looking for is not there, you can either contact us or email our support team by using the support widget in the application, or you can submit feedback in the Help Center, and our support team will regularly update the Help Center so that we can make sure that you have the information that you need. We have also developed a community link where you can post your thoughts and questions to the broader AML Accelerate community, who will collectively be able to share knowledge, skills, and experience. By helping each other, we hope to reduce the costs of compliance and increase your organization's ability to protect themselves from being exploited by organized crime or terrorist organizations.